Alright, you guys, this is how my breakfast look. My Italian sausage covered with gravy, home with biscuit. So, wow, look at that, look at there. Yes, yeah. And if you want something quick and easy for breakfast, just continue watching this video, and it's really easy for uh, a beginner cook as well. Wow. But anyway, this is it. This is how I do it. Yes, I know I got two. Probably won't eat it all because I just like to show, show the result of how it look. Okay, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. Show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up, subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Now this is what you call a southern country biscuit with Italian salsa with gravy. Yep. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how I did it. I put some in the middle. I just kind of split the thing, but I'm gonna show you guys. Give you guys the first bite. Okay. Cut it. Lord, look at there. I'm gonna take a thumbnail right quick while I cut it like that. And you guys can get the first bite. There you go. Look how golden brown that biscuit is. Oh wow. You guys got the first bite? Mm. Sorry about my nail. I need to get that polish off up. My bad. I need to do my fingernail again. Alright. I'll tell you something, it's different. But you always use Jimmy Dean. But it's different, a little spicy. Especially that brand. Alright, let me get out of here because I don't want my food to get cold. And until then, if you guys want to see what ingredients that I made this biscuit and gravy, I'll tell you something, just keep watching this video. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video.
Everybody should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back again and again. Till I see your face, I won't be satisfied.
Good morning, you guys. Well, I'm doing a quick breakfast. I know I have showed you the breakfast I used to eat in the morning time, but this is something different. Usually I buy the roux, the Italian, the Jimmy Dean sausage, but this is something different that I'm trying out. I'm doing the hot Italian sausage. It's the same thing as Jimmy Dean sauce, but it's just by these people. But yeah, this is something quick and easy. So I'm not making no homemade biscuit. This is the biscuit I'm using. And plus, this is the sauce and gravy I'm going to use. You know, back in the country, my mom used to always cook homemade biscuit with homemade gravy. Then they smother, you know, over the sauce and gravy. But I do have this in my cookbook as well. But yeah. So this is gonna be a short video. You guys know how to cook sausage. So just fry the sausage. Then open this kind of gravy. It does have meat in it, but sometimes I don't have a lot of meat. That's why I got some extra. That's kind of biscuit I'm using. Alright. Easy breakfast, and it's really easy breakfast for beginner cook as well. And now let's put my biscuit in the oven, you guys. I love some butter. So you guys, this is how I'm cooking the sausage. Okay, so you guys, that's how it look. Now, let's add my gravy. All the gravy thick. See how I'm doing it. And I did, like I said, I do have this different gravy in my cookbook as well. And so I just mix it all up together. See how I'm doing it. And my biscuit is ready. Wow, look at that meat there. Breakfast ready. Also my coffee.
Roux.
What? How you say roux?
Because I make switch that back over. This coffee hot as I'll get out. Too.
Okay, so I'm finished, you guys. So now next clip will be when I show you how I make it. But that's it. That's how I look.